Welcome to my channel, Planning with Maserati. I'm going to be doing a decorate with me in my classic happy planner, which is this planner here. I don't remember the name. I just had it on my sheet of paper yesterday, and now I forgot what it was. So welcome, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video. That'd be great. I appreciate it. So I'm just moving the planner out the way. We're going to do February 12th through the 18th. I'm going to see if I can do a project with you with this. Just doing a little nice Valentine's decor board decoration. But we'll put that to the side. I don't know just yet. This camera just moved on me or something. There you go. So here we have it. February 12th through the 18th. So welcome. Please subscribe. Hit that big thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. As always, thank you. And I don't need the numbers, but I do have like Valentine's Day stickers in here, so that's what I'll be using. And then I have another one right here with the actual, like, the heart, the love, things like that. Valentine's Day. That's cute. So I may just use these, okay? So instead of maybe the date one, I think I'll just use this one. Alright, so let's begin. I have, again, the colorful boxes and the layered boxes. So I'm going to do a pink theme. I wanted to do pink and purple because that, I think, looks pretty together. But then I'm like, should I not? We'll see how it goes. Whatever the sticker, the main sticker is going to be, then I'll start using the boxes. These have words. I didn't notice that. Where this one is just like pink boxes. So it's very interesting on what I'm going to use. That doesn't belong there. But like, this one has like pink. This is a very good pink one, but it's silver. But we need to see what boxes we're going to use first. I mean, stickers first. Okay. So February 14th is Valentine's Day, I believe. I don't think it's ever changed. Yeah, so it's Ash Wednesday and Valentine's Day. Ooh, that's tricky. Okay, let's see. We have, this is Christmas. We have wishing of joy and love. This is Christmas. Fall. I'm just trying to get to like this page and see if there's any other ones besides that. So this is fall. So we don't need that. You could just slide this just like this. Except I don't know what's going on with that sticker. Take it out. Okay. So this is a bucket list. I have so many of these. I don't know. I might use it. I must have used this at one time, which is the sidebar, or you could use it on anything actually. This is spring, so we don't need that because it's not spring yet. So I'm just looking for, again, just Valentine-ish things. Okay, so I found one. So here I'm going to put a full box. I'm going to use this sticker. There was a coffee sticker that I have to find in here. There's some beautiful hearts right here. The Valentine's Day here, go to the farmer's market. I don't think that's a Valentine thing, but it could be. This is summer. There's two of them actually in here, I think. So that's why I'm just going through them again. I should have put them together. This is birthdays, but this is Valentine's here as well. So you might use some of those, depending on how this turns out. This is more fall. Okay, so fall. Right here. Take care of you. Okay, so we're going to take this one. I'm going to slide it this way. I'm going to move all of this out the way. So I could have this book look like it does. Because I need to get to here. Take this. Move this, put this here. So it says, take care of you. I'm not worried about that. I'm just making sure that I can get this straight. I'm not even using tweezers. I like the squares because you could actually make it go straight. Okay, so that starts off nice, right? We are going to take a box that's pink. Not this box, I want this one. So you're going to see me move a lot of stickers around. I like the idea of pink and purple for Valentine's Day. But why does this look like pink and orange? I think I'm going too fast. Okay, let's slow it down. So let me know if you enjoy playing with me's or decorate with me's. Decorate with me is more of decorating. This one I like. The only thing is it's going to hit the outside. I think that'll be okay because it's the 14th. Let me see if there's anything else that's pink like this that will go in the inside. If we don't, but then that would be crazy because then it'll be hitting this day. I think I'm just going to use this one. I like the silver, I like the yellow with the pink. And it's like a lot of greens. Excuse me. I'm going to use this one. Hopefully this works the way I want it to. So I am just going to put this box right here. I will just have to trim around it. Look at this. Do you see this? It's exactly on the line. It's a little bit above, which is okay. But do you see how it goes over? Happy planner. Really? And then I'm going to take this Valentine sticker and fit it right in here. Like that. I think that looks good. It just makes it look different than always having the same. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we don't need to constantly, like, love. No. What I'm going to do is, should I get a box? I think I'm going to get a full box. Let's see if they have something that kind of resonates with us. That's not pink. This week is love. No. Love, no. I think for the week, should I do top 3? Even though it's orange, but it's still in the pink family. Or should I do purple? I'm sure purple has top 3, right? Again, I want to like incorporate purple because I think pink and purple look pretty. Right? Right there. That would be pretty. I'm going to do the pink and purple. And here, I'm just going to... We're focused on the love week. We'll do it for Friday. Why is this sticker like this? And then just place this one. Oop. This is where you really need tweezers. Okay. I was already nervous. Okay. Before we place it, what do you think? I think so. And then just... I'm so nervous. I have no idea why. You will not see this until... like, before the 12th. It'll be the week prior. Oh my god, Masri, just put it down. I don't know, it looks crooked. I like that it's clear because then on the white paper it stands out. Maybe put the L straight. Still looks off. Watch, I messed this up. And I think this is the only one I have. Okay. What I'm going to do, see, I'm almost messing up here, is focus on here, on the O. I got it as best as it's going to be. Because the O and the E look good. The V is down and the L is up. I like it. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Okay, so now let's do some more stickers. We focused on that. I'm going to put like little hearts. I'm trying to see like where I could put it. Like an overlay kind of thing. So let's wait to see that. I don't believe in farmer's market is that month. I thought it was for spring, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, I'm like losing my voice here for some reason. Okay, so there's 3 of these books. Because there's another book here. Right here is my coffee sticker. So we're going to use this one for here. Is like that. See, I have another one of these. This. I have two of these. Is there another book in here? How many books of these did I have? Let's see. I like the blue, but I don't think the blue would go good with the pink and purple. And this is more blooming, so I think we have everything I need out of this one so far. We could always come back to it later. When you're done with it, you just slide it over. Some stuff though. It is this sticker here. Okay. There we go. And then this is Hello Spring, so this one has Make a Valentine. Oh, that would be cute. Maybe Make a Valentine. Right here. No, we'll hold off on this one. I'll put it there for now. Okay, so we have that. What I wanted to do is like I did before, and I put hearts going around, but I can't find my hearts. I wanted to do a little differently, but this looks good to me. Now let's check out this book really quick. I know this is more numbers and stuff, but I'm just looking to see if there's anything. Love is in the Air. See something like that. I'm not going to do boxes like this again. I'm just going to place stickers. Unless I put it here and then place it right there. So let's do a full box and see if we have a pink just like this or a purple. Okay, we have those little ones. These are small. These are green. I might have used all my pinks. On Sunday, I do want to do a pink, like, long list. And I know I've seen that. Oh, that would be cute. This pink and purple. We can use... Oh, I'm going to put this on my hand. I'm going to use this one over here because I want pink and purple to be together. So I think this would be good here. And then I want this pink one to be... I want to do like a list to be done on probably Sunday. So maybe I'll put this one here as a bullet point. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so what I'm looking for is a long, something like that, right here. And then I have some pinks and purples. I think I'm going to do it like this. I think I laid it down right too. It's a little off. I could see it. So let's see if we could pull it up. Yep. I'll put this one down here. I don't know if you could see it in the bottom. It's like a hairline off. Right here. But that's okay. And then we'll put like this. Love is in the Air. Because I don't really need a lot to do on Sunday, right? Just a list to do. Did that make sense? I don't have a lot to do on Sunday, just a list. Okay, so here we're going to put purple again. I don't want to put too much purple everywhere, but I do want to incorporate purple. This is kind of like a light lavenderish purple, I think. Almost close to pink. Okay. So that looks cute. I have that. Is there gold in here? That's what I needed to know. No. Okay, so I can actually do this one. I'm putting a lot of pinks, but I'm going to add in purple. right here. Actually, right here. I do have my white out just in case I need to white out something, but why did that not come out the way I wanted to? Alright, let's get the white out, because I think I know why. Let me know how this one looks. Okay. What I'm going to do is incorporate it here, right underneath this line, because that's the best way to get it kind of straight without curling it, Maserati. Okay, so right here, I have my grandson this weekend and he's sleeping, so I'm able to film right now. I really didn't need it, it's just a little piece that's showing. So I have that, and then I want this one with the silver, because I think that is adorable. It kind of matches this one. I want to put this right here. So there's like pink, silver, black. I kind of wish, in a way, that... Oh, I did not like it with this one. Yeah, I don't like it there. I don't like two of the same thing almost. So maybe down here, incorporate a pink. Which I kind of wish I would have put this on top and this on the bottom. But that's fine, because it'll be like that. Okay. I don't like two, like this with this. I don't like that. We're going to incorporate, we don't have too much purple, but we have two that stand out. But I do have a big purple, and I have a big pink. Now, I like the pink here, because it's like off, and I like this purple to go where? I think I'm going to move this one out the way. That was easy to pick up. Put this one down. So it's like you have a checklist, and then you have, we'll put the coffee here. Actually, yeah, I'll put the coffee down here. Now that don't look too bad. Now what should I put here? Not purple, because it's like purple, purple, pink, purple, pink? Should it be? Or pink and purple. Pink and purple. But then it looks orange. Okay, that's already going crazy. Just over one little decorate with me. The way I wanted it to look is not looking the way I wanted it to. I'm going to put this one better. Because then it's not the pink and orange, it's pink and purple. And that way you get both of both worlds. And I think I'm done with this one. Man, I say when I'm not doing a lot of stickers, I lie. Like, I seriously lie. Do I need a sticker here? Let's see what we have. We don't need any more of these. We have plenty of these. But I'm glad I incorporated that, and Love is in the Air. And then I have that. The only thing is I'm thinking, like, do we have something for Valentine's Day besides Love is in the Air? They have Happy Day. Is that the same thing? I think so, right? Happy Day? No, because that's silver. I mean, that's gold, and I have silver down. Nope, that wouldn't be good. Okay. Even though it doesn't bother me, but it could bother people. Like, no, don't put two different metals. Okay, let's see. That's not it. How about this somewhere? Like XOXO with some hearts. Incorporate the black, because I only have like two things that are black. So we're going to put XOXO right here. And I'm going to incorporate this black. Okay, so I'm going to kind of open this up so I can see it. How about here? How about no? I'm gonna have to cut it. Let me put this book in between. And then I think I'm gonna cut it. Or should I just layer it, like right here? I probably should have cut that piece. Let's see. Let's see if we can move it. Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is layer it on top so that we still get it. And then cut 2 pieces off. Like so. Yeah, it looks okay, I guess. Let me know if you like that. What else can we do to this? Because I don't want it just to be words more on this side than it is here. That's the only thing I'm thinking of. And I have a lot of black here, and I don't have any here. So what we're going to do is incorporate. I'm going to pull it off and put it on my hand. Okay, so we have the XOXO to go up here, just incorporating some black. And then this one, how did I do this? Oh, it's a little different. Okay, so this one is different than this one. Okay. So we're going to take the smaller hearts, put them down here. Again, grab the scissors and just cut this last heart. Like so. Oh, trimmed its little heart off. And then I just put this heart right, well, trim that piece off. And then just put this little heart just right there. I kind of like it. Now it looks a little bit more cohesive. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of crazy video that I just did. And I will talk to you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.